Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI vocal removal. So let's do this. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the website which is called Vidnoz AI website, and then we have to create our account. And after the account creation, simply we have to go to the option which is called AI tools option. So we have to open this one which is called AI vocal remover. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, we have to open this in a new link. Now simply what we have to do, we have to upload our audio here. So I'm going to click on this, and now we have to choose the audio, that which audio you want to upload. For example, we are going to choose a random sound or the music here. So for let's see, let's choose that. I'm going to in the music section, and now let's choose this one. As you can see, now it's loading, so we have to wait for a few seconds until it upload. And after the completion of uploading, you simply have to remove the vocals, and the vocals will be removed. And after that, if you want to download this or if you want to use this, you can use that, and you can download that for free. So in this way, you can remove your vocals on the Windows AI website. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.